Okay, I'm going to do a remake video of my 52-inch Fasco Charleston ceiling fan in white. It's a little bit off-white, it's more or less. But when I did my first video of it, it hung right where the Hunt original is over there, the brown fan, mind you, for those who don't know. I had it there 2 years ago, and the reason for my remake video is I had to oil the bearings because they were a little subpar, and I was able to quiet them down with some zoom spout, and it decreased tremendously. And as you can see, I dressed the fan up with a light kit. It's hard to find white 4-inch schoolhouse fitters anymore, so it does stand out somewhat. But I do have an antique white one that I got new in the box off eBay, so I'll have to use that one instead. I was going to put it on my Casablanca over there, or my Delta 2, but anyway, I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. But here, let me show you stay on this little platform here, show you some of the aspects of the fan. There's a canopy, there's the top motor. I don't know where you can see the tag of it. It's around there somewhere. There's that red warning label. And it is powered by a K55 stack motor. Sideband has a little bit of a blemish right there, but that's nothing to worry about. And there's the reverse switch right there. It's hidden in one. It's tucked right inside of the vents. It's got a sturdy metal flywheel. It's got textured finish. I'll show this blade's a little bit better. Textured finish on the badge, and the blade arm's right above it. For those who don't know how it works, it's got a nice square blade right there. And the unique thing about these Charleston fans is and a lot of Fasco fans for that matter, is the blades angle upward, which I always thought was cool. And these were childhood fans of mine, and I saw them in a lot of restaurants, and one Pizza Hut had 4 of these in antique brass, minus lights of course. And as a kid, I thought these fans were manufactured by Hunter, given the square blades and the original type vents, you know, one on top of the other. But then I looked through I think it was a Granger catalog circa 1993, and I found out that Fasco was its own entity. They even had like a parlor fan there, which I'm trying to get. So, I mean, parlor fans they're awesome. And they're a little bit harder to find, these Charlestons. And I do actually have an antique brass one like this, but I haven't gotten to filling it yet. I don't think I did, so. Anyway, put the famous fan and light pull chain on this. Let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? There. Fan bent back a little bit, but that's okay. The light's not very bright in it, but it's one of those energy saving bulbs. Turn that off there. And now let's fire up the fan first on low. This fan has a great aesthetic load to it. Medium. Still has a little bit of noise in it, but nothing like it used to be. I'll probably have to put some more zoom spout on it, because I think that greatly eradicated, like, I want at least 75% of the problem. It It is pretty windy outside, but I'm sure with the wind outside, it's probably going to crank out as much air on high. This fan is a tornado on high. Okay, here is high without further ado. Wow. The wind noise will hopefully drown out what's left of what the bearing noise is. It does have a slight shake to it, but nothing. Not like it's going to fall down and crash on me. Still hear a little bit of a ticking sound, but that's. I'll just put like a couple drops of Zoom stuff for like the next week. Let's power it down, shall we? This fan's a good air mover. I wanted to show it again. Look at that. It's moving. It's early March and it's really windy out there. I'm sure if I revved up all my fans simultaneously, it would equal the wind that's out there. And by the way, this Fasco Charleston was made in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And when I went and visited that region, there were like a whole plethora of these fans there. It was just unbelievable. Even like in convenience stores, like what have you. Some even have like these Charlestons like randomly placed, which was just awesome. Okay, folks, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.